Hello everyone, my name is Shaina Jamdagni and I am of grade 8. Today I am going to tell you how a two-way switch wiring works. Unlike a one-way switch wiring, in two-way switch wiring, two switches are connected to the same device, while in a one-way switch, only one switch is connected to a single device. A two-way switch wiring is used when we have to save electricity, it saves human energy, and it is very useful when we are using two switches connected to one device to operate. In a two-way switch, we can find it in common washrooms, in lobbies where there are many doorways, and we have to operate a single light. Here, I've made a model of how a two-way switch wiring works. It's a simple model, but it tells how we can find a two-way switch wiring in common stairways. So, if a person wants to enter from this door, he can simply switch on the light and then climb up the stairs and go to the second floor. And then from the second floor, he can switch it off. And he doesn't have to go down to switch it off again. So, this is how we can save electricity and human energy. Now, I'm going to explain you the circuit of a two-way switch wiring. Two switches which are connected to each other. So each switch has three terminals, while in a one-way switch we would notice that there are only two terminals. So two terminals of each of the switches are connected to each other like this. And then we have our plug and our light source, which here is my bulb. So this is a rough diagram. So one of the terminal of one of the switch is connected to the bulb, while the other terminal of the second switch is connected to the plug. So the terminal left for the bulb is connected to the other end of the plug. This is the circuit diagram of a two-way switch wiring. Thank you.